You done? Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a really fun review for you guys. Now, it's not a sponsored review. None of this was sent to me. I bought this with my own money, but I wanted to do this in real time just to give you like a raw reaction. And you guys know how I love the pink stuff. If you have not seen my other pink stuff video, I will have it up here in the cards. Go and check that out. But I did find a couple of their new products. Now, I know that they've been coming out with a ton of new different stuff, like the floor cleaner, the washing spray stuff, just a whole bunch of new stuff. So in my stores, I found a couple new things and I picked two of them to try out with you guys. And the first one is the Miracle Cream Cleanser. You guys know that I use this stuff all the time, like on my oven and my sink and stuff like that. And I was almost out of my Barkeeper's Friend, so I was like, let me go ahead and try this and let you guys know how I feel about it. It's tough on stains, sparkling clean, 100% natural cleaning. And you guys know how to use stuff like this, right? If not, we're gonna go over a couple of things. And I also saw this and was very intrigued. This is the Miracle Power Foaming Toilet Cleanser. It is a self-activating pink foam. You get 2 treatments in 1 box, and I'm almost positive these were like $5.97 each. I did pick these up at Walmart. I'm really excited to try this one. It says that it aids in limescale removal and it deep cleans. Hello, bubbles, pink bubbles. I'm here for it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how these work and just to get my honest reaction, again, like I said, this is not sponsored. Nobody paid me to do this. I bought it with my own money, but I wanted to bring you guys just, you know, a little review on these. So if you're interested in how they work, let's go. Okay, so I think the first thing that we're going to try is the toilet cleaner. I don't know why. I'm just really obsessed with watching this work. So it does say that you just open it up, pour it into the toilet, watch the Miracle Pink Foam rise, leave it for 10 minutes, brush it, and then flush it. So it sounds easy enough. Let me show you what's inside. So you get 2 of these packets, and it seems like it's just powder, just like what it says. So I'm just going to go ahead. I haven't cleaned my toilet this week and it is disgusting. So I'm going to go ahead and just dump this in here like it says to, and then we'll just watch it foam. And probably while I leave it sitting for that 10 minutes, I will go and try something with the cream cleanser. So here goes nothing. Let's see if it's going to be hard for me to open. Okay, we got it. Okay, ready? Ooh, it's a pretty pink though. She is bubbling. Okay, so for some reason I thought it would bubble up just like a little bit more than that. I don't know why, but it is really satisfying to watch it, and I do get an immediate, like the fruity smell of the pink stuff. So I think it did a really good job of getting all the way up to the top of the bowl and probably right underneath it. So we're going to let it sit for a few minutes and then I'll come back and see how it's done. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to try is the cream cleanser on my kitchen sinks. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see very well, but they are dirty. There is just some leftover water marks and just some, you know, sink stuff. So we're gonna see how all this does. I'm not sure, honestly, if this cleanser is abrasive or not, but we'll find out here in just a second. So again, this is the Pink Stuff Miracle Cream Cleaner. It is tough on stains, sparkling clean, 100% natural cleaning, and as always, it is vegan. And on the back here for the directions, it just says that it is a mild abrasive cream cleanser for hard surfaces and should be used with care. Shake bottle before use. And if in doubt, always test on an inconspicuous place. I think we're good in the sink. So I'm just going to give it a good shake and then go ahead and get it in there and start scrubbing. So we're just going to give it like a really good amount. It does have like that light pink look to it, and I am using one of my scrubbers here from Scrub Daddy. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. I can already tell that it's not really thick whatsoever. It does smell amazing. It's just got that classic pink stuff smell to it. I have no doubt that it's going to clean well. I just kind of want to see what the shine is going to be like, because it does say that it's going to leave it sparkling clean. And I'm not really putting too much elbow grease into this. Literally just running the sponge around. Okay, that should do it. Now let's see after we rinse. Okay, so I have to say that the shine is evident. It's very shiny. It got everything off. It didn't leave any residue. Just make sure, like with any other cream cleanser, that you rinse it very well so that it doesn't leave like that little bit of the hazy leftover residue. But I think it did very, very well. Now again, my sinks weren't too dirty. So let me see if I can find something that will really show it off. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to try to use this on is this pan. Now, as you can see, there's stuff stuck on the bottom, and this just doesn't come off when it's ran through the dishwasher. And then I also wanted to see if it's going to do anything to the bottom of this. I have used the actual pink stuff, you know, the paste on the bottom of my pans, and it's worked really well. So I kind of want to see how the cream cleanser holds up to it. So that's what I'm going to try next. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the bottom of the pan and just give it a good little amount there. And I am going to use my sponge again. So let's see how good this works. And I'm not putting like a whole bunch of elbow grease in here. I kind of just want to distribute it all throughout and let it set for just a minute and work into those stains, and see if that helps at all. Okay, so I literally scrubbed this for about 5 minutes straight, and although it did get a lot of the stuff off and it shined it up really, really nicely, it did not get all of those stains off of the bottom. But if you used this like before it got this bad, I'm sure that it would help. So I would have to say in this instance that I think the actual pink stuff paste worked a lot better than the cleanser did on stains like this. But now I'm going to go ahead and tackle this here and see if it does any better. So again, just going to squirt a little in there. Use the stick. Oh, okay. Well, as you can see, it literally just wiped it right out. So I will have to say for that, that's an A+ right there. Okay, so before we get into that, it has been about 10 minutes, so I did want to come in here and brush the toilet clean and see how easy this is. We have a couple spots. I'm not really going to go down very far right there, just to see if it does help. Let's see. Okay, so I can say that it smells really, really good, really nice and fresh. And I didn't take the brush like all the way down into the bottom of the toilet because I wanted to see if it would kind of like break up some of that stuff on its own. And it actually did. I'm really surprised, to be honest with you. Okay, so I have one more surface that I'm going to go ahead and test this out on. Now, my oven is not that dirty, but it's also not really that clean either. So I'm going to see if it helps to get all of these little baked on spots off, and hopefully it does, because this is one area that I always have an issue with getting clean. Add a little dollop. Again, the smell is amazing. I love the smell of this product, and all of the products have the same smell. Go ahead and get all around here while I'm here. All right, let's wipe this off and see how it looks. Okay, so far, everything looks good. I do see those couple little baked on spots are still there. All right, so a couple of those little baked on spots are still there. I don't know if you can see them or not, but I did not put like any effort into this whatsoever, but it really did clean it very, very well, and it's very shiny, so I like it. I think it did a really good job. Okay, so even though I only cleaned like a handful of stuff with that cream cleaner, I really do think it's just going to be like any other cream cleanser that I've purchased, like Barkeeper's Friend and stuff like that. I don't see that it's going to do like an outstanding job on anything, but I will have to say, this stuff right here, I'm impressed. I think it's really nice, and I also think it's going to be like a good in-between. Like, I don't know what your schedule is, or if you even have a schedule, but like if you only clean your toilets every Sunday and you want to kind of like freshen them up and just kind of do a basic maintenance clean, I think these are good. It's, you know, $5.97, $6 depending on where you get it, and you get 2 of those little treatments in there. I think it's worth it. I think it's fun just to see the bubbles. If you don't want to spend the money, it's definitely not something that, you know, you're not going to be able to live without, but it is what it is. Out of the 2 products, I think this is the only thing that I would probably repurchase. Now, the other things that I wanted to try to get were the floor cleaner. I want to see how good that is, and I also want to try the laundry spray. Now, they did have the laundry spray when I went to my Walmart, but they didn't have the floor cleaner. I have only seen that on Amazon, and I was thinking about getting a few things and doing like a pink stuff giveaway. If you guys are into that, let me know. If not, that's cool too. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you my review on these since I saw them and I wanted to try them out. I know, you know, the pink stuff is all the rave right now, which is nice because their paste is A1. I'm a huge stan for their paste. Love it. But yeah, that's it. If you try it, let me know. If not, go try it. Let me know what you think about the toilet bubbles. I enjoyed it. I thought it was fun. But thanks for coming and watching. I hope you got some information out of these products in this review. I love you and appreciate you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, you know, all the stuff. But I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.